99% of people don't know this, but stop saying, "What is good," when you're at a restaurant.
Wait, really? I say that every time I order food.
It sounds robotic. Today, I'm showing you the secret phrases natives use to get the best recommendations.
I need this. I hate sounding like a walking textbook.
Exactly. Let's start with Lesson 1, the casual switch. Instead of "give me a recommendation," try "any suggestions."
Any suggestions sounds much softer, right?
Way better. Use it for small things like coffee, movies, or even a new book.
So I could say, I'm looking for a thriller, any suggestions?
Perfect. It's natural and flows easily into a conversation.
What if I want something more professional or specific?
That's Lesson 2. Use, "what do you recommend for," followed by a specific category.
Like, what do you recommend for a first-time visitor in London?
Spot on. Adding "for" makes you sound like you know exactly what you want.
Could I use that for food too?
Yes. What do you recommend for someone who likes spicy food?
Okay, I'm feeling more confident already. What's the third tip?
Lesson 3 is the hidden gem technique. Ask, "What's your favorite spot for?"
Oh. That sounds like I'm asking for a secret.
It is. Natives love sharing their favorite spots. It builds a connection immediately.
So, what's your favorite spot for a quiet coffee?
Exactly. You aren't just asking for info, you're asking for their personal taste.
I love that. Let's try to use them all in a real conversation.
Let's do it. We are in a new city and you're asking me for help.
Hey. I just arrived. Do you have any suggestions for things to do today?
Well, the museum is popular, but it's really crowded.
What do you recommend for someone who prefers being outdoors?
The riverside walk is beautiful this time of year.
That sounds great. One more thing, what's your favorite spot for a cheap lunch nearby?
You have to try Tony's Tacos just around the corner.
Perfect. See? That felt so much more natural than my old way.
You sounded like a local. Now, it's the viewer's turn.
Everyone, pause the video right now.
Comment below using one of the phrases we learned. Ask me for a recommendation.
I'll be checking the comments to see if you used any suggestions correctly.
Great job. Let's recap what we learned today before you go.
Point 1. Use any suggestions for casual, everyday things.
Point 2. Use "what do you recommend for" to be specific and professional.
Point 3. Use "what's your favorite spot for" to find those hidden gems.
Master these 3 and you'll never sound like a tourist again.
I'm definitely using these next time I go out.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We have a new video every single day.
See you in the next one. Bye.